Welcome to the first lesson of Unit 4. You'll notice there's no title. That's because I don't want you to start Google searching to try and figure out what we're going to be looking at. So all we're going to do is a pretty simple, take a look at a simple situation, and you're going to go ahead and answer 4 questions. The important thing is that you think about them and you try them. You should spend, I'm only going to be talking for about 2 total minutes, and you really should be spending at least 15 minutes working through and answering the questions. So if you think about it, this will take you no more than 20 minutes, but come into class tomorrow with those questions answered and some thoughts ready to go so that we can dive in. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take a look at a situation, and this is the situation, the information that you're going to use in order to answer the following questions. So what you're going to see is a snippet of a Ferris wheel. What you need to know is that the Ferris wheel ride takes a full 3 minutes, and unfortunately we only were able to capture a few seconds of it. All right, so there you have it. You can go back and watch that again if you need to. And on the next page, I'm going to ask you a few questions. It is important to note that I don't tell you, how high above the ground it is or how high the top of it is. You can do some research and figure that out on your own. And let's take a look at the questions. All right, so go ahead and pause the video at this point, copy down each of the questions, and spend at least a couple minutes on each. That's if you get them. So, take your time. You should have a response, a written out response. In this case, it should also include a graph. You might want to explain parts of your graph, but certainly for 2, 3, you need good explanations. And then also for 4, get creative. Okay, don't worry about sticking to things that you already have learned. If you want to just sort of invent something on your own, go ahead and do that. Okay, be creative. Think about the fact that math is created from common sense situations like this. So go ahead and give it your best shot, and we'll see you tomorrow.